Hello, I'm J.J. Gian Quinto, retired Commissioner of the Superior Court in California. I'm also a 5,000-hour pilot, approximately. I have several hours of instruction, aircraft instruction. I have flown corporate. I have flown charter. I have done a lot of private flying. I've been in the aviation business since the 1970s. Consequently, my experience goes far beyond my former profession as a judicial officer in the Superior Court of California. AER 15 is a course called General Aviation Law. It is not a course in which we expect you to become attorneys by any stretch of the imagination. Rather, we want to acquaint you with various legal exposures to which you may find yourself while you are in your aviation career. Many of us come into contact with many aspects of the law with merely by doing our day-to-day work in the aviation field. Whether you're a pilot, you're a dispatcher, whether you are in sales or you are doing turning wrenches. There are always potential exposures to various aspects of the law. The purpose of this course will be to acquaint you with some of those so that you can be able to deal with them on a basis as a professional where you will have some knowledge, but enough knowledge to know when you should be seeking some assistance in dealing whatever it is that you have encountered. There are many aspects that you would not even consider being a matter of law, but they are. We deal with law every day, and it is something that you need to be comfortable in doing, but you need to understand when help is going to be dictated. This will be my second time for producing and teaching this course at California Aeronautical University. Consequently, we are still feeling our way through it. The course materials are written by J. Scott Hamilton. Mr. Hamilton is an attorney who was originally private practice, did a lot of aviation law. He then was the general counsel for the Civil Air Patrol for many years and did a great job in that capacity. He then went to work for Embry-Riddle, and he developed this course while he was an instructor and a professor, as well as an officer at Embry-Riddle. Mr. Hamilton now continues to practice aviation law in Denver. Consequently, his acquaintance with the law and the manner in which he has presented it in both the textbook and in the workbook, you will find will be pretty logical in the way it is put together. We will have various lessons on a weekly basis. We will cover a couple of chapters per week. There will be also opportunities for us to expand what we are teaching into the FARs as well as the Airman's Information Manual. So all these items will be course materials. There will also be an opportunity for you to do some additional research of cases that have actually happened, things that will be real life, where you can find out how things were handled by the pilot involved as well as the lawyer who handled the case. Many of them go as far as the courts of appeal, therefore they become what's known as published opinions. You will be expected during this course to spend some time researching those published opinions so you can learn how things are done in the aviation law area. There are many, many cases. We will go on a few of them that are very noteworthy, which have involved people of very great prominence. Thank you very much for paying attention, and we will soon begin getting into the material of this class.